Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to deposit money on stake using Mudrex. So first of all, you need to click the wallet in the top and you need to select deposit. Then you need to choose USDT, choose the network. So for example, let's choose TRC20 network because it has got lower fees, and you need to copy the wallet address right here. Then you need to open your Mudrex app, you need to open USDT wallet and click the send button right here. You need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to send. First of all, you need to choose the network right here. The network should be the same. In this case, we are choosing TRC20 network. You need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to send from Mudrex to your stake account. And you need to paste the wallet address from stake right here and finalize the transaction. Around 15 to 20 minutes, you will receive your money on stake. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.